and welcome to Mountain Minds Monday. We are a program of Tahoe Silicon Mountain, and I'm Rachel McCullough. I'm the president of Tahoe Silicon Mountain, and tonight I will be your MC. We are going to get the event started with doing a quick round of introductions. So that means your name, your job title, or what you do if it's not clear from your title. And if you'd like, you can also say how Tahoe Silicon Mountain has helped you recently. Maybe it helped you hire someone. Maybe you got some great business advice, something like that. So we'll go ahead and get that started on this side of the room here. Are you ready?
Hi, my name is Carlos Infantes. I am the CTO of a real estate development company in Spain. We basically have moved 10 days ago to Truckee, so we thought that this would be a great opportunity to meet people like-minded, and we're very excited to be part of the community.
Hello, I'm Steve Massisa. I'm the owner of Prospect Engineering. This is my first time in this event. I have a consulting company that I do most of my work out of Silicon Valley. Projects that I've lately been involved in is fiber optics for quantum computing and battery pack development for electric cars. And I hope to do a little bit of networking here. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Jeremy Lukenspire. I'm a software consultant in ASP.NET and SQL Server, and I've been up here as an independent consultant for 16 years and have been coming to these meetings almost since the beginning 7 or 8 years ago.
Hi, I'm Dean Freeman. I run a small consulting company that specializes in market analysis, predominantly semiconductor and Internet of Things. And I've been here about 2 years now and have made several great contacts.
Hi, my name's Ed Steinglass, and I'm retired. My background is in sales and marketing for early stage startups.
Hi, Trina Gold, Big Water. We are content creators for online marketing. Big Water, get to the surface.
Hi, I'm Chris Sellers. I'm a retired software engineer from HP.
My name is Bob Buckles. I'm a software engineer, currently unemployed or retired, working in computer networking and data storage devices.
Kevin Asher, Acoustic Selling. We advise sales organizations on the use of technology to be more awesome. And I moved here 12 days ago from Seattle, so I'm no longer the new guy in the room. So I'm happy to be here.
Hi, my name is Johannes Ziegler. I'm one of the founders of the group, and I'm also involved in Truckee co-housing. My day job is CEO of Mir Plaza, education software for kids, and in that company we've worked both with software developers and with marketing folks and with designers from this group. So a lot of interaction.
Hello, everybody. My name is Diane Barrett, and I'm 5 years here full-time in Truckee. My background is also in sales, both .com sales as well as magazine and live event sales, and currently I work for Edible Reno Tahoe Magazine, which is a local magazine all about the food culture, the drink and local food culture here in the community. And I'm in sales. I sell advertising, and this is a great group. I don't come off all the time, but I think that there's a lot of interesting people that you meet at these meetings every week, so thank you.
Hi, I'm Barbara Serwinski. I'm retired, and I'm a community volunteer.
Ed Serwinski, Professor Emeritus, still learning. What I did, I'm a protein crystallographer.
I'm Jerry Blackwell. I work with the Truckee Railroad Society, and at one time that was a disruptive technology.
I'm Rob Riley. I used to make buggy whips, damn it. Darn it. No, I'm a network security engineer, retired, unless you have a job you'd like to discuss. Oh, sure.
My name is Alex, and I am learning to program.
Yeah. And I'm Helen. I came with him. I like to code, I like to run, and I like to take long walks in the mountains.
My name is David Kaminsky. I'm with Stowflex. We're a software company specializing in helping companies track dispersed assets.
Hi everyone, my name is Troy Ortiz. I'm an associate attorney at Mobo here in town. Just moved up 2 weeks ago from San Diego, so yeah, excited to be here. Yep, I know. My practice focuses on business and real estate transactions. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Hi, my name is Mike Ellis. I've been here in Truckee for 10 years, but this is my first time coming to this group, so I'm excited about that. I run a customer success team for a cloud enterprise platform.
My name is Koya Noi. I've lived at the lake for about 12 years. This is my first time at this event, and I have a healthcare analytics company.
Hi, my name is Jennifer O'Connell. I'm a partner at Davidson & Capel, an intellectual property firm based in New York City. I'm a patent attorney there. I've been fortunate enough to spend a couple months last year and this year here in Incline on the other side of the lake, and this is my first meeting.
Hi, my name is Jackie Patterson, and I've lived in Truckee for 3 years full-time now. I'm retired from the software industry and now researching the stock market.
Hi, I'm Jane Pryor, and my background is creative direction in broadcast. And 3 or 4 years ago, I wanted to spend more time here in Truckee and work at home. So I got into IT, and I have a patent in cloud technology that I hold with 21st Century Fox. I don't know how that happened. It says a lot more about Hollywood than it does about me. But it's fun to be here. Thanks. My first time.
I'm Dick Schultze. I live in Truckee. I'm with the law firm Holland & Hart, and I do patents and copyrights and trademarks.
And Holland & Hart is one of our sponsors, as well as Mobo. We'll get to more about that later.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Walter-Scheid. I'm here with the Sierra Business Council. I run the Gold Country Broadband Consortium and work in the Small Business Development Center.
Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, say what? Okay, sure. Yeah, sure. I'm Kyle Conrad, developer out of Nevada City, and I work freelance and doing contract work there. So, yeah.
All right. I'm Elena. I'm a designer, and I just I just came with you, so.
Hi, my name is Brian Broomheltz. I do freelance work as well, and currently working with an education startup here in Truckee called Life Ingredients, which brings mindfulness curriculum to K through 8 schools. So.
Hi folks, my name is Garrett McCullough. I am a mobile engineer for a healthcare startup called Verta Health, and I am also on the board of Tahoe Silicon Mountain. I am also the speaker coordinator for the Mountain Minds Monday for this group. So next month's speaker is going to be from a startup in Reno called Breadware, and Breadware builds Internet of Things products, and they're a consultancy that helps other companies take an existing product and quote-unquote make it smart. So we're going to find out more about it, but it should be pretty interesting, talking about smart home devices and devices that connect to the internet.
Thank you, Rachel. Hi, I'm Dave Depew. I'm a retired entrepreneur. I'm also on the board of Tahoe Silicon Mountain.
All right, and last, you already know my name, Rachel McCullough. My day job is I own a web design agency here in Truckee, McCullough Web Services. All right, so I have a few announcements, want to go over a few things. So Tahoe Silicon Mountain has a bunch of programs. These are our recurring programs. So you're at Mountain Minds Monday, the first one. We are here the second Monday of every month. Same time, same location every month. First Friday at 5 is our roundtable event for entrepreneurs that happens the first Friday of every month, 5 o'clock at the Lyft Co-working in Truckee. I encourage you, if you haven't come out to that program, we have a few people here who were here a couple weeks ago. We had a really great event this month. And then we have Tahoe JS, so that's the third Tuesday of the month. It's really for programmers of any ability, and mostly we talk about JavaScript there. So those are our regular events. We also have some special programs coming up that we're doing in partnership with the Sierra Business Council. So we have, this is the same thing we did last year actually, the Tahoe Pitch Camp and Showcase. So if you want to apply for the camp, I have a link up there for applications. They're due on August 27th. And what you'll learn at the camp is how to pitch your business. So how to put together your deck and how to actually present the deck. So there's 3 sessions and all the dates listed up there, but really just jot down this link so you can get more information. Then from the camp, we'll select some of the participants to do a public pitch at our showcase event, and that's happening on September 24th. One important thing to note is that last year we did the pitch showcase instead of Mountain Minds Monday. So this year we're still having Mountain Minds Monday in September, and then 2 weeks later we're having the showcase. Something that's also different about it is it's not here this year. It's at the Community Arts Center, which we all know as the old rec center. And to make check-in easier, we're actually selling tickets for the event on Eventbrite. So that's why I have the ticket link up there. So you'll want to get your tickets in advance. We're doing the same pay what you can model like our other events. So we have an additional sponsorship opportunity related to the Tahoe Pitch Showcase, and this is something special we're doing because it only costs $25. So we're asking any entrepreneurs or small business owners to pitch in $25. It will go towards the desserts and drinks. And then we'll be doing all the logos on a koozie that everyone will get at the event. And of course, you'll be recognized. So more information about that is at the link. I see a lot of people taking photos. All these slides will be on SlideShare. You can also view them on YouTube if you go through the event there. So a few other announcements. The email newsletter, this also has all the information that I went over. So it's a good source of information. We also have our Facebook group called Tahoe Silicon Mountain, and our YouTube channel has the history of all our events from the past few years, and it has all of the intros that we do. So if you missed someone or didn't hear what they said or trying to get back in touch with them, you can go back and watch. I did this announcement actually last time, but I'll do it again since we have a lot of new faces. But we've just recently this year become a 501c3, so it's official. And as always, we're volunteer run, and we have a working board. So you can see our board members here. You met Dave, you met Garrett, and then Ellen's not here today. And then also Johannes is one of our founding members, so he's important to recognize right here since he's here today. And since we're official, we have different ways to donate. So Amazon Smile, if any of you use that, you can just sign up at smile.amazon.com. You don't have to pay anything extra, but we get 0.5% of your purchase, so it's an easy way to give that's not money out of your pocket. And we always are trying to make all our events really accessible. So we live stream the events if you can't make it. If you don't like standing in here or aren't as comfortable, we live stream down the hall to the fireplace room there. So you're welcome to watch the event from there or bring small children and have them sit there with you. We always have local high school students, Tahoe or Truckee, attend for free. We have special sponsors for that. And then, of course, if you sign up to volunteer at one of our events, then you can attend for free as well. And you can sign up to volunteer at that link there. Big thank you to everyone for being really generous with pay what you can when you come in. It really helps make these events possible, and also it takes probably about a dozen people to run every Mountain Minds Monday event, and so we really appreciate it, and we also welcome anyone to volunteer. You don't have to have any special qualifications. We train you on that. Of course, I'm going to thank our sponsors, but I'll do that in a little bit. So this is going to wrap up this portion of the event, and we'll have some networking time. If you're watching the live stream, the best thing to do is close out of this and then just return to our main channel, and then you can pick up the second part of the event. We won't be running the same exact stream again, so it's important that you go back to the channel. And really the best way to not get mixed up between the different links and the two different portions is go to our YouTube channel and hit subscribe and then hit the bell to get notifications. So we are on to our networking time, so if you want to be back in your seats in 10 minutes, then we'll start the main event. Thanks. Recently, you can type. And then something a little different. Tonight, I'm going to be passing around some sticky notes and some pens for you to have at your table, and I'll be telling you in a little bit what that's all about. So I'll go first. I already told you my name, but I own a web design agency here in Truckee called McCullough Web Services.
Hi everyone, my name is Gary McCullough, and I am a mobile engineer for Verda Health. I think you'll learn a little more about Verda in just a little bit. However, I'm also the speaker coordinator for this group, and I wanted to announce next month's topic. It's going to be, the presentation will be by Mary Gordon, and she's the author of a book called Life Without Ceilings, A Woman's Career in Computers, and she's going to be doing a talk about the history of computers, programming, all that sort of thing, and how women went from a large percentage of programmers kind of down to where it is now, and then the subsequent efforts to bring more women back into computer science and in programming in general. So it should be a really interesting talk. I heard an interview with her before, and she's a great speaker. So.
So my name is Greg Parkwell. This is my wife Lisa, and this is our first time here exploring this. We like to say we live in Truckee and a small place in Palo Alto, and hopefully that will be increasingly the case over time. But we're learning more about the business here. So that's what we're doing.
Hi, I'm Laura Lake. I'm a retired healthcare data analyst and a volunteer the founder of Health, which is a health analytics platform. Just here in the back. I'm sure you're going to say more about that a little later.
My name is Adrian Singler. I'm an IT professional. I currently manage a quality testing department. So I'll show it to that.
And if I could get everyone just speak up as loudly as you can, because the room's a little big this way.
My name is David Kaminsky. I'm the customer catalyst for Stowflex. We help large corporations manage their assets and travel.
My name is Tom Rennie. I'm an environmental engineer. This is my first time here.
Hi, I'm Bonnie Treestman. I live in Florida, but I spend my summers in Turkey.
Hi, my name is Dr. Barry Treestman. I'm a local chiropractor and an active release technique practitioner in Turkey.
I have a baking business. I sell sugar and exact opposite of what we said. And Dr. Kenny's going to tell us about, but I'm here specifically to see the doctor.
I'm John Nolan. I work at the Little Co-working Space, one of the sponsors, and I'm also involved with the Truckee River Village and co-housing, and wanted to mention that we have a site tour on West River Street on Sunday at 2 p.m., and you can get more information at truckeecohousing.com.
Hi, my name is Dave Clements. I have a background in software infrastructure, and I've been working on a transition into data science recently.
John Maris, retired out of the Air Force, software engineer, pilot, and new startup.
Kelly Barber, I work in supply planning for Roche Pharmaceuticals, but just here for the topic. Thanks for the invite.
My name is Nate Calvin. I'm here with Heads Up Health. We have a booth out front. I'm also a local freelance photographer and video producer.
Thanks, Steve. Rory O'Farrell, Truckee Top Community Television, and that's Sean Howe on camera 2.
Michael Kramer, resident of 24 years here in beautiful Truckee. I'm a real estate broker here for the first time, so hopefully I enjoy what I hear.
Hello, Connor McGuire from South Lake Tahoe. I'm a landscaper and a carpenter. It's my first event.
Hi, I'm Erica Stoll. I am a full-time local, and this is my husband, Jeff. And I'm a human resources director here locally, and a newbie to the group. So,
hi, I'm Christine Smith, and I've been here forever as well. This is my first time at this event, and I teach 7th grade at Olive Green School.
I'm Connie Galippi. I'm the founder of BitGive, which is a Bitcoin nonprofit leveraging Bitcoin and blockchain technology for charities worldwide, and also a volunteer for Thomas Edison.
Hi, I'm Dan Rose. I've been to a few of these before. I'm a retired physician. Now I'm also interested in endurance sports.
I'm Cindy Yakimo with Northwest Swimming. I'm Pam Nash with the Truckee Home Building Show, 26 years Memorial Day weekend.
I'm Helen Helster. I'm a software engineer, but came here tonight with my Donner Party Mountain Runner hat on, a local nonprofit, to inform, inspire, and connect mountain runners.
Javier Castelar, co-founder of National Money. I am Javier Castelar, co-founder of National Technology. I make flight simulators, but I came because my wife
I'm Warren. I'm a small business owner, software developer, and have an interest in recent years in low carbon living.
I'm Cynthia, and I'm a physician, also interested in the topic.
I'm Ryan Smith. I'm a co-owner of Sear Mountain Pipe and Supply.
I'm Anna Levine. I'm visiting from out of town from Colorado, and I'm a database developer for Committee.
Hi, I'm Susan Levine. I'm the person she's visiting. I'm a software architect in San Francisco normally, but
help people mitigate their symptoms that have autoimmune disease, but more broadly, for anyone that cares about the ingredients that goes into the foods that they like to cook, snack on, or indulge in.
Shannon Rouse, commercialistic, I like sugar.
Larry Larson, I'm in charge of operations for a biotech startup in Reno called Snarcare. And last month I had, actually, before last, I had a chance to participate in Startup Weekend. And the next one will probably be before the end of the year. I hadn't heard anything official. I would encourage everyone to consider it. It was very valuable.
Jennifer Jordan, I'm just and I do affiliate marketing work.
I'm Steve Finney. I'm a physician scientist, and some of you here are new to this meeting and also your speakers. So come to this in complete innocence. So I think Rachel will tell you a lot more about me.
Joe Dingler, physical therapist.
Hi, I'm Judy McHugh. I'm a retired entrepreneur, 35 years in Silicon Valley. I focused my last 10 years in getting startups to the next round of where they need to be next level in their businesses.
Hi, my name is Ellen Rayner. The company is Keep On Moving, and it offers the physical therapy home exercise program. I am also on the board of Tahoe Silicon Mountain. And in answer to Larry's question, yes, Reno is having a startup weekend in November, and the next one in Truckee will be in April.
Hi, Luis Jimenez. I am a retired manager architect from high-tech in there 30 years. I moved to Tahoe and went over.
Is anyone else speak?
Raise your hand if you haven't introduced yourself.
Or do you want to do the window?
All right, thank you, everyone. I'll tell you a little bit about our other programs. So you're at Mountain Lions Monday, the first one on the list here. We also have First Friday at 5, which is our Entrepreneurs Roundtable. Happens, as it says, first Friday of the month at 5 o'clock. And then VRJS Tahoe, which is a programming meetup mainly focused on JavaScript, and all abilities are welcome. That's always the third Tuesday of the month, and our other events happen at the lift. So those are our regular monthly events. We also have special events going on throughout the year, as mentioned, Startup Weekend, but the next one coming up is our Pitch Camp and Showcase, and we do that in collaboration with the Sierra Business Council. And you come to camp during the summer and learn to pitch your business, create your deck, get all that set, and then we have the 4 gates up there, and then we have a showcase that will be on September 24th, where some people from the camp will be selected to pitch in front of a larger audience. We had, I think, over 100 or more people actually come last year to our showcase. It was a great event with a ton of energy. We'll have sign-ups and all that coming soon. If you're interested, you can just drop an email to TahoeSiliconMountain@gmail.com, and we'll get you on our list for when more specific information goes out. We have a bunch of announcements to go through, so just keeping up to date on everything that's going on. All of you are now on our email list. It has a ton of information, and best way to stay up to date, so definitely read that. We have our Facebook group for day-to-day things. Feel free to post on there if you've got a question about something, if you've got a job to offer the community, if you're looking for something. It's not a place for selling things, but really connecting and helping each other. And then all of our events, our Mountain Lions Monday events, are live streamed, and they're archived on our YouTube channel. So you can check it out at the YouTube TSM link there. So this is our biggest announcement of the night. We're officially a 501c3. After all these years, we've been around 8 years. So as usual, we're still volunteer run. We have a working board. So I thought I'd introduce you our initial board here. So there's myself. There's Dave, who was sitting right there a minute ago.
My significant other.
Ellen Rayner, who's also just sitting right there, and Garrett McCullough, who's, doing tonight. So I think I went the wrong way. Let's see. Oh, so all of us had a wonderful opportunity to go to a nonprofit board training series that the Community Foundation offered. And so we're now looking beyond our core group. We want to get more people involved. So definitely let us know. And you'd like to be more involved. And then, of course, since we have nonprofit status, we're getting all of these great things like email setup and such. But one of them is you can set us up under your Amazon Smile account, and then 0.5% of all your purchases can come directly to us. You don't have to pay anything extra. You just set it up in your Amazon account. So that brings me to the sticky notes that you're probably all wondering about. So as part of all this official 501c3, we are just getting more official about everything. And I think our mission isn't as clear as it should be. And right now is a great time for us to re-envision it. So I'm going to give you like literally only a minute. But if you can take a sticky and write down some notes, whether it's a sentence or some words or things that you're thinking of that you connect with our group that you think that we should consider as part of this mission. Because I think part of our mission is that it's not a few board members telling you what you need, but it's the whole community telling us what they need. And so that's why we're all asking you to participate in this process. And then if you're on a live stream, you can go ahead and type it into the YouTube chat, and we'll be able to capture it in that way as well. So I'll give you 1 minute. Any questions? Anyone need a pen? There's a whole bunch back there. And if you haven't actually been before, that's okay too. You can tell us what you want us to be for you. What's that? Yes, yes, no problem. No problem. And then once you're set with your paper, you go ahead and pass it up to the front. And I'll collect them up here. Thank you. This one's set. Thank you all so much for participating in that. If I can have your attention again, we'll just run through a couple more things before our networking here. I want to mention, this is definitely part of our mission. We really work hard to make our events accessible. So that means we have the live stream. If you can't make it, you can watch from home. If you've got young children, you can watch the live stream from just down the hall. We have this pay what you can model, which makes it more accessible. And then there's ways to attend for free. So like local high school students can come with their ID for free. And then if you'd like to be one of our volunteers, you can also attend for free. And this event we could not run without our volunteers. And so you can sign up and we'll train you, no experience necessary. And we've got the link up there for that.